Hi, how's it going? So I'm going to show you how to use uh, repl.it, repl.it's website to start coding in Python. So if you've never coded in Python before and you've never used repl.it before, hopefully you'll be able to do both those things after this session. So let's get started. Yeah, so if you go to this site here, uh, this is what you're kind of greeted with. You'll need to create an account, and once you've done that, there's me there. It's a half head. Yeah, great image. So we need to get coding. We're going to choose Python. So we're going to click this button here. It's new repl.it, and then we're going to start off with Python with Turtle. So we're just going to teach you some key basic skills in Python, but we're going to use this one here for Turtle. So this is just for using, what's Turtle? It's a thing that basically you can draw shapes and patterns, and you can use the Python language to kind of manipulate a thing that's called a turtle. Doesn't look much like a turtle. Anyway, I'll show you. So this time, for the starter lessons, anyway, we're going to be using Python with Turtle. You can't quite see there, but if you see Python with T, that's the baby. So let's click on that, and then we're going to create. Okay, so it's just loading up here at the moment. Okay. I'm actually gives this like URL name here and that, and you can give this to other people, and they can then work on your program as well, so you can collaborate. And it gives a default name; it just makes one up. But I'm going to call it turtle test, and I won't bother with anything else. And okay, that's done. Turtle test. So you can see that in the URL here. If you ever want to give this program to someone else, you can copy and paste and send that to someone, and they can get access to your program as well, which is kind of cool. Okay, so where it says main.py here, this is we're going to write our code down here, and then it will show it in this bad boy over here, okay, in the console area. All right. So just to kind of show you how to get started with this, we want to import our turtle. That's it. So we're going to import, and we just do this first. Import turtle. Okay. And that's kind of like a module, we call these. You can import lots of fancy things into Python, and they can do different things. You can import sound modules, graphics modules, game modules, and they all have like pre-built kind of things inside them that will help with you building programs. But we're going to import Turtle for this one here, and then we're going to give our turtle a name so we can keep referring to it all the time. So we're going to call mine, I'm going to call mine Hardhead, and he's going to equal turtle, and then I put in here turtle like this here. Okay, so all that line of code means this is something we call a variable. I'll talk more about these later. But it's like a storage system, like a box in a way. So this thing here means like basically create a turtle, all right? And from now on, the turtle that you've created, like a baby, from now on it's going to be called Halfhead, all right? So I can press enter there. And then I can then command Halfhead to do whatever I want. So I'm going to go Halfhead, and then dot, and then there's different commands. So there's a one that's like forward, and I put brackets, or parenthesis is a proper term when we're coding, and I'm going to put 100. So what will that do? Well, Halfhead is the turtle, and then I put a dot, and then we can put commands after the dot, and this one here, this command means forward 100, means go forward 100. Okay, so let's see what that does. I'm going to click run, and there's my turtle. It is actually like an arrowhead instead of a turtle, but anyway. And it started here, and it went across this way here, forward, and it goes forward 100, all right? So we can then also give it another instruction, and guess what? We're going to make it, I'm going to make it go left, okay? So I'm going to go left, and then in the parenthesis, we can put angles in there. So if I want it to go left at an angle of 90 degrees, I just put 90 in there, hit enter, nothing happens because what have I not done? I haven't clicked run. So I press this button, boom, it's turned left. Look, you see that? Okay, didn't go up or anything like that though. So if I want it to go and move, head dot forward, and we can go forward, say let's go 200 this time. So can you guess what it's going to do? It's not too hard, is it? There you go. Okay, so we can go around and we could try and make it into a rectangle. So let's do half head again, dot left, and then 90, and then half head again, and then dot forward, forward, and then 100, and then half head dot left, and 90. So where are we up to? Let's just see what that does. Can't remember what I'm up to. Blah blah blah. Da, da, da. So we just need to do one more. Forward, and then 200. Okay, and that should, if I'd done that properly, and oh, what have I done? What am I doing? That should not have a bracket there or there or there. That should be a dot. Okay, and then run. So what have I done wrong? Well, this here is not how you spell half head. Poor old half head doesn't know what's going on. Let's try again. There we go, made our rectangle. All right, so that's just like a brief intro to Turtle, repl.it, Python, and yeah, just to get you started.